How's it going, YouTube? Gozi here, and welcome back to the channel, bringing you the fifth and final chapter to the clutch and cam swap. It is Wednesday, May the 5th, and the goal is to have the car running by Friday night. That gives us about 48 hours, which I think it's more than enough time. I've got everything I need, so I'm ready to get rolling. 2 days is more than enough time, considering I have to balance school and work, but we're gonna knock it out, and this video is gonna span 2 days, hopefully, so bear with me, follow along, and let's get to it. Hold on, before we get started, I know you guys were wondering what this banner was. So if you haven't seen my last video, I flew to Vegas and attended Ellis Fest 2021, and I ended up taking a large souvenir with me. So that's where the banner came from, and I think it's a great addition to the garage. It looks really good. I'm probably gonna fix up here, probably take it up a little higher. But apart from that, man, it definitely brings life and color in here. Our first move would be to get the motor off the stand. That way we can get the flywheel clutch assembly bolted on and the bed housing put on. It is now Sunday morning, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick recap of what happened yesterday. So yesterday, started the car, and I could hear a slight tapping from the passenger side head or the block or whatever. And I let it idle for a little bit, and then I just shut it off and began diagnosing. I didn't know what it was, and like literally, I was just like pulling my hair out. How was a valve train noise coming? I literally, Johnson lifters, had the push rod measured, and everything. So it's like, at one point I was like, okay, if it is the push rods, or maybe like a stuck lifter, then sure, that'd be an easy fix, kind of, rather than like something being wrong with the block, But yeah, like it just wasn't adding up. So diagnosed it. At one point, I actually ran the car with the valve covers off to see if I could see like something, like physically wrong, and nothing. Did some more research, and I came to a conclusion that it was probably an exhaust leak. I had a gasket sitting around from when I first did the head cam, and I never used it. So I figured this was a good time, and it was pretty shitty quality. It wasn't like that multi-layered steel. It was more of a solid piece. I have it back together now, and I'm about to start it up. Let me let that focus. I'm about to start it up now. If everything checks out, take it for a drive and start data logging. there you have it, guys. B3 cam install along with the RXT twin disc clutch, and it sounds good. The air fuel isn't too far off, so I'm gonna start dialing it in, and hopefully get ready to make some runs out here, or maybe within the next week or so. For those of you who have been keeping up with all parts of the videos, part 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm guessing this is part 5. I appreciate you guys for, following through and, keeping up with, what I had going on in the garage. And if you haven't already, like, share, comment, and please subscribe if you want to see more of, Corvette stuff and Nissan stuff. I'm going to start tearing down the Nissan, actually, because I blew the VQ motor. I'm not sure if I told you guys. I blew the motor maybe a month and a half ago. So I'm going to be LS swapping that. So that's the next project. That's a waste of money, right? Yeah, I know. Just bad decisions upon bad decisions. But hey, this is the life I choose. So I will be uploading sound clips, like doing pulls and the idle, just so I can give you guys a comparison of the difference between the B3 and how the comp cam sounded, and hopefully put on a dyno and see the difference in power. I'm hoping for 615 on the 85, but we'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.